Shearer and Lucas Poyeko on stand number 4, down the end there. Right, don't forget the last heat has to go out the back and tip over for this one. And if there's another volunteer somewhere that someone that wants to go out and help, I'm more than welcome. Anybody's allowed to do that as long as they're familiar with being able to tip a sheep over. Be very much appreciated. So I'm assuming I've got 3 sheep this year. No, weighing out. Well, there's not much separating these 3 shearers. First heat of intermediate. Emma Martin on stand number 3, Lydia Thompson on stand number 2, Lucas Poyeko on stand number 4, down the end there. Another South American boy. And 2 Kiwi girls. Oh, we've got a bit of a struggle. So Eva's about to go on to sheep number 2. We've got a bit of life about these sheep. They want to get down that paddock. They don't want their jerseys taken off, it's too cold. So he's making a nice job down on stand number 4 is Lucas. Poyeko, Lydia Thompson.